Hey everyone, what's up? So a lot of you have been hitting me up after finishing the How to Create Your Own Bot series. You know, the one from part 1 through part 6. You've been asking for updates, more commands, just more stuff to play with. And honestly, I've been listening. So today I'm dropping an update for you. This isn't a total overhaul, but it's a solid step forward. I didn't add a crazy long list of new commands, but what's here is useful. Enough to make your bot smoother and more fun to use right now. The biggest change? The new button menu system. Before, you had to remember commands or type everything out. Now every category has its own button. Clean, organized, and just click and go. Whether it's managing roles, checking stats, or trying fun commands, it's all laid out visually. I spent time making sure it feels smooth, not messy. And yeah, I added a handful of new commands. Kept it focused. Things you've asked for. Tools that actually help without cluttering things up. It's all tested and ready to roll with the new menu. If you've been following along since part 1 of the tutorial, this update takes that same project and just levels it up. Same foundation, just smarter and more interactive. This is just another step though. Your feedback has been huge in shaping this. And I'll keep building based on what you tell me. So try it out, break stuff. Let me know in the comments what works and what doesn't. If you're new here and want to build your own bot from scratch, check out the How to Create Your Own Bot series on the channel. Start from part 1 and follow along. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. Seriously, go try version 1.0.2. Play with the buttons, test the new commands. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It helps a ton, and you won't miss what's coming next. Catch you in the comments. Peace. With